This was supposed to be my first smash burger on the Blackstone, and yeah, I completely burned it. Welcome to Griddle and Grub, where I share every cook, every lesson, and yep, every fail. If you're new to the Blackstone like me, let this be your warning and your walkthrough. I started with fries. I tossed them down thinking this will be easy. I seasoned them and waited for that golden crisp, but I had the heat way too high. If you want crispy fries on the griddle, medium heat and a little oil go a long way. High heat just steams them, and that's exactly what I got. Then I dropped some onions, aiming for that In-N-Out style sweet caramelized flavor. They browned and cooked, but they weren't In-N-Out. I had them on high heat with not enough oil. Here's a tip. For caramelized onions, it's low and slow with a little steam and dome, not fire blast mode like I did. Lesson learned. Then came the burger balls, and that smoke that you see right there should have been a sign. I had no idea what the temperature was on the griddle. I just cranked all the burners to high and hoped for the best. First big lesson, get to know your burner zones. Not all spots heat evenly, and full blast is almost never the move when you're just starting out. I started smashing one by one. There was no technique to it, just Hulk smash. I smashed them so much, it was just a thin, crisp layer. If you're smashing burgers, you want to press hard and hold for 10 to 15 seconds to build a crust. I had zero finesse. It's all about that technique. I added mustard and flipped the patties. And yep, they were scorched. Super thin and cooked to death, not the crispy you want. This was bitter, burnt beef chip territory. I should have watched the edges. That's your cue. When they brown and crisp up, it's flip time, not burn time. Another lesson learned. Drop the buns while trying to regroup. Luckily, the buns didn't burn, probably because I actually paid attention to them. I cleaned up the mess and took a deep breath. The whole cook just felt chaotic. Not because the griddle was bad, but because I didn't understand it yet. It was my first time using the griddle. I needed to be one with that griddle. Here's what I've learned. Cooking on a griddle is about feel. It's about learning your burners, managing heat zones, and knowing when to step back. If you're new to this, it's gonna be trial and error. Burnt food, weird textures, a little frustrating, that's part of it. But every failed cook teaches you something. Next time, I'll lower the heat, I'll prep a little better, and I'll definitely slow down. And if you want to see if I got redemption on the Blackstone with those smash burgers, make sure you like and subscribe because I'll be posting that soon.